Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? So, welcome to this series of uh, teach test yourself Excel aptitude, in which we are showing you how you can use these Germany, square root, algebra problems, and math, Olympiad, etc. So, our today's question, which we would like to uh, solve using Excel, is this one, right? We have uh, we have adopted it from the link which is provided, in which I have written. I have said thank you to all these to this yeah uh, wonderful presentation, yeah, and we make it bold, right? Okay, so this is a lovely problem in which we have to find the value of x. So there are four stages: one, two, three, four, and this is the x which we have chosen. The place for x is yellow highlighted, and we have named it as x so that all our subsequent programs will be referring it as x, right? So subsequent question is this. So it is square rooting it, a square root function of x. The first root is this one. The second is the square root of x, yeah, multiplied by what you have already excluded. Okay, so I'm 60, yeah. So whatever has come in here, it is going to be multiplied with the square root of x, right? And the third stage will be again the same thing. The square root of x multiplied by whatever has come in here. So stage 2, this is stage 3. And in the end, you have the stage 4, right? So this has to be 5. If as soon as this gets 5, so the value, which is that is the value of x, right? We have seen the program, the presentation on the YouTube, and I recommend all my viewers to please do see this lovely presentation, uh, in which all the processes which students should know the theoretical concept, and yeah, it's very lovely. In a very lovely way, it has been explained each stage, and in the end, you have the answer. The answer is 5 raised to power 16 oblique 15. 5 raised to power 16 oblique 15. 16 oblique 15. So this is the answer. So, so the first thing we do is that we do the 5 raised to power 16 oblique 15 in here to find out what is our target. Our target is this. Okay. So the value of x is this, right? Okay, if the value of x gets to this value, it means our solution is matching it, and the solution is right. And if it is not matching it, then it means it is not uh, complete, or it is not correct. Okay, so we do the formatting like this. Okay, okay, and now what we are supposed to do is to discuss this. We have already discussed the stages. The initial stage is a square root of x. The second stage is square root of x times whatever you already have completed, right? And so on until the last one. Okay. So now to find the value of x automatically using Excel, so my way is that I go to do it using the goal seek. Let's go to the goal seek, and here we set some cell. Which cell we want? We want this cell to be set to a value of 5. Sorry, not 45, 5. Yeah. And by changing what? By changing the value of x. Yeah. 558. That's it. So we started doing it. and it takes you exactly to the right answer. The value of X is 5.57, and you have the stage 5 reached 2 to 5. Stage 4, stage number 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum of the product of the outcome of this expression is 5, right? So this is the right answer. So we click OK in here, and now we take this to our database as usual, right? We have taken it into the database. We have mentioned the answer and different choices. Of course, the answer which is matching with the right answer will be uh, considered by the system that correct. Otherwise, all the other answers will be wrong. And here we have put this image in a very tiny shape, very tiny shape, right? But you will see as soon as we attempt it into it gets big. It gets to the bigger size, and the it's a demonstration of how you can look up the images as well, right? The images, the lookup is being performed, and this is getting the image into it, not only getting the image, but also resizing it to so that you can see it in a presentable manner, right? So now you can attempt the answer. You can attempt the answer, any answer which you click no, so the no will appear, right? And when you say attempt the right answer, it will display yes, and you get a mark, right? So this is the file which we offer as a template, which you can use. Any chapter you can add into it, and any questions, any number of questions you can enter and use this to test during your presentation, to test your audience, to test your trainees, to test your kids at home, maybe. If you're teaching, you're worrying about your kids' memorization of the teachings. So you can use this as a template to test them out. And the method is very simple. All you need to do is create a chapter and start entering the questions. The questions will start appearing in here. Hmm? The and you can see the drop down, which is showing all the subjects, all the chapters. These chapters are automatically coming. If you create a new chapter in the database, it will as soon as you enter into this quiz sheet, you will see that it is appearing in here with all the questions which you have entered. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.